Hello. In this example, we're going to graph f of x equals x minus 2 divided by x squared minus x minus 6. So the first thing we want to find is the vertical asymptote. In this case, we set the denominator x squared minus x minus 6 equal to 0. The factorization of x squared minus x minus 6 is, well, there's an x here and an x here. This minus sign means one's plus, one's minus. This 6 means one's 3 and 2, and the minus sign here means that 3 is negative, 2 is positive. So from the first factor, x equals negative 2, and the second factor, x equals 3. So those are the vertical asymptotes. Now notice that the multiplicity is 1 for each of those. Now we can write down the domain. It starts at negative infinity and continues until negative 2, union negative 2 to 3, union 3 to infinity. Fantastic. Now, we need to find the horizontal asymptote because we've already found the vertical asymptote. The horizontal asymptote comes from the degrees. The degree of the exponent here is 1, the degree of the denominator here is 2. 1's less than 2, therefore we have a horizontal asymptote of y equals 0. Fantastic. The next thing we need to do is look for any x-intercepts. And the x-intercept is setting the numerator x minus 2 equal to 0. Solving gives us x equals 2. So the x-intercept is 2, 0. Now again, notice that this is multiplicity 1. The next thing we need is the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, plug in 0 for the x's. Everything except for the last two numbers go away. So that's negative 2 over negative 6, which simplifies to positive 1/3. Fantastic. The only other thing is, does it cross y equals 0? And the answer is yes in this case, because the horizontal asymptote was y equals 0 and we had an x-intercept. If this was any number besides 0, we'd have to solve another equation. Fantastic. Let's graph everything. Well, the x-intercepts are the vertical asymptotes, are x equals negative 2 and then x equals 3. There's x equals 3, fantastic. And then you're going to graph the horizontal asymptote of y equals 0. I'm not sure if you can see that. There we go, that's better. Okay, fantastic. Let's plot the x-intercept. And then let's plot the y-intercept, 0, 1/3. Somewhere in there. These 2 points must connect, and because this x-intercept had a multiplicity of 1, it must cross there. Therefore, this is going to keep going down along this vertical asymptote. This is also going to go back up along this vertical asymptote because there are no more x-intercepts. And again, the multiplicity for the two vertical asymptotes was odd, so it's going to flip to the other side. It's going to cross the x-axis, and it's going to look something like this. The function will go towards the horizontal asymptote every time that there is a horizontal asymptote. Alrighty, well, there you go. Here's the graph of f of x equals x minus 2 all over x squared minus x minus 6. We'll see you next time. Have fun.